Today I'm going to show you how to make two sizes of bobbles. The first one is the larger one that make bobble, MB in the abbreviations. Step 1 is to knit front and back twice into the next stitch. And you've increased 3 stitches, turn work, purl 4 stitches, turn work and knit 4 stitches, turn again and purl 4, and last row, knit 4 stitches. The next step is to slip the second, third, and fourth stitch over the first one. And finally, we knit the next stitch nice and snug and tight up against your bobble to make it pop out. Now I'll show you how to make a smaller bobble, which is MSB in my abbreviations. So it's quite similar. We knit front, back, and front again into the next stitch. We want our bobble. Turn the work, purl 3. This time we've only increased 2 stitches. Then we turn the work again, and instead of knitting those stitches, this time we knit 3 together. So it's a little bit tricky to get your needle in there, but if you knit 3 together, and there you have your bobble. And finally, just make sure to knit nice and snug up against the next stitch again. And you have 2 sizes of cute little bobbles to decorate your knitting.